Hi, I'm Andre and welcome to Fast JavaScript. To follow along with me in this tutorial series, please go in your web browser to jsbin.com. And to make your view look just like mine, notice that I have a JavaScript view open and a console view open. There are other tabs available like HTML, CSS, and output, but we only want to have the JavaScript and the console views highlighted. So if they appear blue, that means that you have them both appearing on the screen and you have a really similar setup to what I have. Great. So once you got that going, let's go ahead and run our very first line of JavaScript code. So to do so, simply type the following: console, then type a period, now type log, and then type an open parentheses, type a double quote, and then type some text like hello world, exclamation point. And notice how JSBin automatically closes out your text with double quotes at the very end of it as well. That is something that we need, and that is something called a string. We're going to get more into that later. So now that we have our parentheses closed as well, JSBin also completed that for us automatically, we're going to type a semicolon to end the line. Now we have completed our very first line of JavaScript. Great. So what is it going to do? Well, by the looks of it, it's going to log the text hello world to the console because it's calling console.log. And guess what's on the right of our screen? It's the console. So we click run and we can see that hello world indeed does appear on the console. So I know you probably don't really understand exactly like how this magic stuff worked just yet, but we're going to get more into that later when we talk about variables, functions, and objects, and then we get into things like control flow. So this tutorial series is meant to give you a very basic introduction into JavaScript and then kind of help to serve as the building blocks for my later series that I'm going to create for things like full stack JavaScript development using technologies like Node and React.js. So now that we've had our first taste of JavaScript, let's go ahead and move on and learn some more about things like variables.